those couches are perfectly good. A little Clorox.
Turn right onto TC Jester Boulevard.
Oh, look at that! Oh, mattress. That mattress is fine. Those cabinets are fine. Oh, them doors. Oh, they didn't take the gold handles off. Well, I don't see how the handle can be. I guess it is. I mean, you can wipe the fucking handle off. Fuck. Go on, I don't care. Fuck.
In a half mile, turn right onto Cypress Wood Drive.
No doubt. And then nothing. Here, I'm going to show you the creek where this water came from. Drive friendly. No doubt, fam. Cypress Creek done fucked y'all's houses the fuck up. So look at the damage on the shore. Everything's whited out. The fucking things just eroded. All this shit that's brown over here had fucking water sitting on it for sure. And in this shit, I didn't realize Texas had so many trees, but the trees are just the edge of the bayou. So behind all that shit is fucking swamps.